Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Cognizant Technical Assessment 25. The Cognizant second phase technical assessment is here and the exam date is 12th May. Candidate received the test update cluster 1, 2, 3 exam pattern free resources. We will discuss about all the video. As we know that candidate completed the aptitude examination on 8th May, 9th May, and after that I created video of aptitude exam cutoff. Okay, now the candidate received the technical assessment mail. I already created video in the 2025 batch playlist, but that is a first phase video and today is all about the second phase. So Cognizant invites you to take the technical assessment. Greetings from Cognizant. We are pleased to share you have been shortlisted for Cognizant hiring technical assessment and duration is same, is 120 minutes, total 2 hours of examination is there, and here the date is mentioned 12 May. Okay, 12 May 2025 is the test date and the 7 PM is the test time. The timing are different. Okay, first of all, in case you have already downloaded the latest version of MSB, please click on launch test button to proceed. Candidate currently on version 32, 33, 34 and 35 are required to update their MSB before taking the test. Run the system compatibility check well in advance to ensure you have new version of MSB. The update is applicable only for Windows OS. Candidate using Mac can continue as usual. All fresh new downloads will get latest build version by default. First of all, check the MSB because your test is on the MSB and version latest. Okay, they clearly mention here, that is most important point, and you have to do the system compatibility check. Install MSB and perform all system check well in advance. Use check system compatibility link at top of perform to same. Complete the mandatory sample assessment to ensure compatibility of device and familiar with test environment. In case you are facing any issue, you can check the troubleshooting document. Ensure antivirus process in your system is disabled before start the assessment. Okay, there are lot of errors come at the time of assessment, but due to antivirus, the problem occur. So you have to disable it. Only one attempt is available. Ensure laptop battery is fully charged. Do not click F5 or try to refresh the screen. Doing this will submit and end the assessment. The start assessment link will only enable on the start date and time of assessment. That is very important. Please don't click on finish test button until all sections are completed or not, because it has more than one section. It is mandatory to attempt all the question. Okay guys, let's move on to next part. Sectional timing is allowed for all the section. Check the timing carefully and complete each section within the allocated time. Okay, read the frequently asked question prior to the assessment. Take the assessment on desktop laptop. Ensure to take the assessment from quiet area with adequate brightness and the face is clearly visible. Test webcam prior to assessment. Okay, everything is mentioned here. I suggest you have to check the don'ts. Okay, and you have to check the do's. That is very important. Do's and don'ts are very important. Don't click on F5 or try to refresh the screen. It will submit at your end. Do not skip your question before answering is complete. Okay, and one most important point that I have to mention. Okay, everything is mentioned here. Just check it. And the exam date is 12th May 2025 and 7 PM is the test date, and you can click on start test. Many of the candidates are asking, like suppose if you not choose the cluster, any of the cluster 1 or cluster 2, so the cluster 1 is by default, but what about the cluster 2 or cluster 3? So how to check which cluster is allocated? Okay, so first of all, you have to click on start test option here. Start test option here. Don't worry, your test will not start. Okay, this type of page will be open. Hi Lokesh, welcome to hiring tech 25 phase CL1. CL1 means cluster 1, CL2 means cluster 2, CL3 means cluster 3. So this type you can understand how many number of question, what are the number of section, duration are everything here mentioned. Here mentioned CL3. CL3 means cluster 3. Okay, CL2 means cluster 2 and CL1 means cluster 1. This type of video, like like this type of checking is very important, okay, before giving the examination. This is Cognizant Tech examination pattern. Rest is everything is same. Round 1 is online, second is round online, third is not offline, now it's virtual, because the 2025 first batch first phase examination result is declared, and now we can say that it is a online technical interview, okay, and letter of intent LOI will be there. So in the technical assessment prerequisite, skill cluster 1, cluster 2 and cluster 3 are there. Cluster 1 Java, NC SQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Second is Python, NC SQL and Cloud Fundamental. Third is C Sharp, NC SQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay. And sorry friends, I am out of town, due to which like I am uploading the video very lately, but I am trying my best, and please don't please ignore the outside voice, okay. I am at my village, okay. Technical assessment detail, skill cluster number 1, duration is 120 minutes. 3 sections are there: coding, Java programming, query, database are there, and coding, web UI. Skill cluster number 2 is duration 120 minutes, 3 section: coding, Python, query, database and cloud fundamental. Third is skill cluster number 3, duration 120 minutes, 3 section: C Sharp, query, database and coding, web UI. Okay. So first of all, what about the exam pattern of the technical assessment? Okay. So in that, okay, you have to check the cluster, which cluster is allocated to you, and you have to prepare according to that. Technical assessment cluster number 1, total 5 number of question are there. Java 2 coding question medium level, SQL 2 question easy to medium, HTML, CSS, JS 1 question, and this is the timings, okay. Java 60 minutes of duration, 2 coding question, okay, 2 question. SQL 35 minutes, 2 query question, 2 question. And coding, web UI means HTML, CSS, JS, JavaScript 1 question, total 5 question, and total duration is 120 minutes, okay. This is related to skill cluster number 1. How to prepare for skill cluster number 1? As we know that Java programming are there, I strongly recommending everyone, you can choose any of the platform. I am recommending you HackerRank platform. Select the Java section and you can solve the 1110 Java interview program with solution Java programming example. And you can see on my screen that I am sharing all the links, free resources link with all of you, that is related to technical assessment free resources, okay. Similarly for SQL, you can go to HackerRank website. First is Java section, second is SQL section. SQL, you can check the SQL part here, where you will find the SQL section in which basic, medium, hard level questions are there. So you have to prepare accordingly this, okay. It is related to SQL part, so it is very important. Third is related to coding, web UI, that is HTML, that is CSS, and that is JS, JavaScript. So Geeks for Geeks website, HTML tutorial, W3 School, free code camp, JavaScript tutorial, W3 School website. So W3 School website is very important, and I am giving you the like previous year question that is asked in the previous examination, okay. This is all about cluster number 1. Let's discuss about cluster 2. 2 coding question, Python, SQL 2 question and cloud MCQ 10. This is cluster number 2 pattern. Similarly GFG website, okay, and programming Miz website and Java T-Point website are there. And similarly for the SQL, I suggest everyone to, you can go to HackerRank website and practice the SQL question. And for the cloud MCQ, go to Sen Foundry website, where you will find 1000 cloud computing MCQ. That is very important, okay. Let's discuss about the cluster number 3. C Sharp 2 coding question, SQL 2 question, HTML, CSS 1 question. It is similar as CL1 cluster 1, only C Sharp part is different, rest is same. 120 minutes of duration is there, and in the CL2 as well, total 120 minutes of duration, same as all the sections are there, okay. Total duration 120 minutes. For C Sharp W3 School Java T-Point website, 500 plus C Sharp programs are there on the Sen Foundry website, okay. And I created video that is related to technical assessment live class, cluster 1, cluster 2, cluster 3 process, so you can check out. And after completing the technical exam, you can check the interview questions video, okay. So first of all, this is the previous year question of SQL or previous examination. This type of question is asked: write a SQL query to display the name of employee who have more than 5 years of experience and join after January 1. Your output should have two columns. The output should be like this, and they will share the database schema as well. Okay, so this is related to SQL question. This is a Java Python question in which they give a string value s and return an integer value representing the number of removal. Suppose you have to remove the xx and xx. Okay, xy xy. So the output is number 2. Given string is xy, triple x, yx and xy. So you can see double x and double x are two places, like on two places xx are representing, like repeating. Okay, these are repeating. So if you remove, the string will be ideal xy 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 xy. Therefore 2 is the return output. This type of coding question will be asked. And in the coding web UI HTML CSS Java profile card component, you are developing a profile card component in which you have to show the person following: toggle the follow button to unfollow. When click it, display the follow status. Ensure the design and functionality. You have to create a paragraph tag with ID follow status and the class is hidden. Add a border radius of 10 pixel. This type of question will be asked in the JS. Okay, so it is similar for the cluster number 3 HTML CSS JavaScript, but for the cluster number 2 Python is there, SQL2 questions are there, and Cloud MCQ 10. So you have to prepare from the Zen Foundry website. I hope you understand the video and it is related to technical assessment. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching the video, and must crack this opportunity. It is one of the good hiring. Best wishes for your examination.